Welcome to BSG. It's time we address some of the more major concerns on this car, and I've been putting it off long enough. These wheels are not pretty. No, but in all seriousness, I will get to the rust. That's the next thing I have on my list. I have the panels for it, and I'm going to go through the whole thing. I have from here to the door line. I have the rocker panels, doors I'm going to clean up. It will get done. It's on my list. I have everything to do it. In the meantime, this tire went flat, and it's been going flat every week or so. And it's leaking from this lip here between the rim and the tire. The correct thing would be to take this to a tire shop, have them remount this, clean up the seal, and it'll most likely seal perfectly fine because these are fairly new tires. So instead, I'm getting new rims completely. Because why not? These are gouged up. They look like they're like spray painted or something. Like, they're not pretty. And so I got some new wheels. I got it for a pretty good price, and let's get these off and I'll show you what I got. Get these off with my new toy. This thing is so nice. I'm really leaning towards Milwaukee tools for some reason. I think mainly because my first tool was a Milwaukee power tool, and I like the matching red. I don't like having all different batteries and stuff. And so it locked me into Milwaukee, but man, they're nice tools. Ugh. Okay. So here's what I'm thinking. In the future, I want this thing lifted about 4 inches, 4-inch suspension lift. And I want taller and wider tires. So the stock wheels are 15x7. I got 15x8, slightly wider. And then I'm gonna have, I think, 12.5 wide tires in the future. For now, these fenders are way too low. You can't run that. And I can't do wider tires either. So I'm reusing the tires, which are 31.5 by 10.5. But the wheels, I wanted something to match some shine. I don't like the black wheels very much, and I don't like very complicated wheels. So these are simple and shiny, and I like them a lot. So let me show you what I got. These are what I picked up. They're Ultra something. I forget the brand. They're not like a fancy, expensive wheel. I think they're like 600 for the set of 4, something like that. But they're very simple, and I didn't want to stick with the turbines because the Corvette will eventually have turbines on it. And so I didn't want to have both cars have turbines. I wanted to do something different. This is much more like, you know, truck lifted, big, beefy look. These are 4 and a quarter, I think, this hub. And the stock ones, the front and back are different, and it's a whole nightmare. These are bigger than both hubs. That's all I care about, because these are lug centric, so you don't need to run centering rings, and the ones that they sent me don't work anyway. So let me put these on, and then we'll see what this looks like. Ugh. They're just as heavy as before. No difference there. Look at that, I got the right size. Wow, these studs don't stick out that much. I got new lugs also, because these are, well, they're fine actually, and they are chrome. I got new ones because then it's all nice and shiny. But man, this now very much makes this stand out. Oh. So, yeah, next project for sure. This is very bad. I need to still track down a couple of these inner ones. But I think this one I can save and just patch up. That one I think I can actually save and just patch up. And I have new panels for here, in case I need it. I'll probably will. Here, I have nothing for the door. I'm just gonna strip it, see how bad it is. I might need to buy new doors. And I have brand new rockers as well for both sides. The front doesn't actually have any rust holes, and the floor has no rust holes. So this is literally it. But that's next. I need to dig that out. But yeah, these are the wheels. Let me put all 4 on and we'll do a quick walk around. Man, they are way too shiny for me, I think. I'm like scared to touch them. There we go. Man, they completely change how the car looks. And it really makes the rust stand out, especially on this side. Oh, it just completely changes how the car looks. I love it. Oh, and for anyone interested, they're Ultra Motorsport wheels. 15 by 8. Very close to stock sizing. And yeah, in the future, I want these to stick out a little more and be bigger. So stay tuned. Next is fixing that rust.